Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Bestway Flowclear Filter Cartridge Type 3, one of the best Flowclear filters available for pool maintenance. If you want to keep your pool water clean and clear, this is a product you definitely want to consider. The Bestway Flowclear Filter Cartridge Type 3 is designed to sift out dirt and debris efficiently, helping your pool pump maintain optimal performance. Measuring 4.2 inches by 8.0 inches, it fits perfectly in most Type 3 or Type A/C pool filter pumps. This compatibility makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of above-ground pools. One of the key features of this filter cartridge is its recommendation for use with 1,000 and 1,500 gallon-per-hour filter pumps. This ensures it can handle typical home pool setups without any trouble. The filter's manual power source means no complicated wiring or electronics to worry about, making it easy to install and maintain. Durability and ease of maintenance are crucial when it comes to pool filters, and the Bestway Flowclear doesn't disappoint. This cartridge is reusable and cleans effortlessly. When it gets clogged with dirt, you can simply remove it from the pump and spray off the debris with a garden hose. This not only saves money but also reduces waste since you don't need to replace it frequently. Bestway recommends replacing the filter cartridge every 2 weeks for the best results. This might seem frequent, but regular replacement keeps your pool water fresh and extends the life of your pump. The filter is made from quality materials including rubber, ensuring a snug fit and durability during regular use. With a maximum flow rate of 5,678 liters per hour and a maximum lifting height of 10 inches, the cartridge offers solid performance for typical pool filtration needs. Its compact size and lightweight design make handling and storage simple and convenient. Overall, the Bestway Flowclear Filter Cartridge Type 3 is a practical and reliable solution for anyone looking to maintain clean pool water without hassle. Whether you have a small above-ground pool or a larger setup, this filter cartridge fits the bill for effective debris removal and easy maintenance. If you're looking for a straightforward, efficient, and compatible filter cartridge, this product is certainly worth your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.